Alright, so just wanted to do a quick update. Sorry about my voice, it's a little scratchy. The weather's been kind of beating me up a little bit. But, so it's good to be back. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So, these are both pepper spray, right here. The Cold Steel Inferno. And this is the Surefire E1B. This is my primary flashlight. So just so that you can kind of get a size comparison. The 1.3 ounce container of Inferno is basically the same size as the flashlight, and the 0.38 ounce keychain is just about a half-inch shorter. Obviously, the 1.3 is a little thicker than the flashlight, and the 0.38 is actually the same size diameter as the flashlight. Now, just to go in this Cold Steel Inferno, intended for use by personnel trained in the proper use of ASR, non-flammable defense spray, inflammatory agent, severe irritant contents under pressure. It contains 8% oleoresin, capsaicin, 2% black pepper, and the Scoville heat units is 2 million. The Scoville value is 160,000. Capsaicinoid content is 1%, and it contains no carcinogens or alcohol. Just a little warning, tells you not to put it up over 120 feet. And it says do not use in any manner after 5 years. So these canisters are good for about 5 years. So this is 0.3. This is 38 grams. Sorry. This is 13.8, and that's just for size reference. So from what they show, you can get about 4 or 5, I think, solid bursts from this. And this you can get like 2 to 3. They're both, fully functional. They could definitely do some serious damage. The reason I got both sizes, they're both, they will both fit in your pocket. This one is a little more cumbersome than this. But as far as, I look at it as different uses. This is more in an urban environment, a city. If I go into New York or that kind of area where densely populated, you have a better chance of having an issue with more people around than you would if you have less people around. That's pretty commonsensical. And then this is more just an around town, just to have something on me at all times. So I don't carry both of these at the same time. They're more interchangeable, and it's just size constraint. I've actually thought about getting a larger one of these, just to keep in my car, but for now I'm just going to keep this in the car and this in my pocket, and I can always switch it as need be. But just a quick update and a little review of the Cold Steel Inferno. No, I'm not going to spray myself in the eyes with this stuff. It is very bad, very torturous stuff, and no need for that. So, quick update. The 1.3 ounce container has a flip cap, so you stick your thumb and you push down. There's the nozzle. So that they tell you to either use your index finger or your thumb. And then the keychain unit, you flip to the side and push down. So as you can tell, when you flip it to the side, the nozzle comes out. In this position, it's a lock. And that's just a quick little update. Some new EDC equipment. I've got some new EDC equipment coming in the mail. And that would be the Houdini Pro from Benchmade, the escape tool. As you have probably seen in my previous review, I have a Houdini keychain tool on my keyring, and we're going to update that to the Pro model so that I can keep that in the car. And we'll see you later. Some new reviews coming up soon. And have a good day. Get out hiking or snowshoeing or whatever you're doing this winter, and have a good day. Bye.